These are the headlines for today evening. Bitcoin stays below $17,000. Ether trades above $1,200. Indians moved over $3.8 billion to foreign exchanges since crypto tax rules. Indian government launching crypto awareness campaign. Sam Bankman-Fried pleads not guilty to fraud conspiracy charges. Ethereum name service recorded over 2.8 million domain registrations in 2022. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Cryptocurrency markets were trading higher for the second consecutive day as investors await the release of FOMC minutes later in the day. Bitcoin hovered around the crucial $17,000 levels a day after its 14th birthday. Ethereum traded around $1,300 level. Ruchi Sharma joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC 15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading up by 1.8% at 24,709 points. Friday's December jobs report will be closely watched as it is the last read on the labor market before the Fed meeting in February. After the Federal Open Market Committee's meeting on December 13th and 14th, new projections indicated that policymakers anticipated inflation to end 2023 higher than they had previously predicted. This resulted in unexpectedly broad projected support for the idea that interest rates would need to increase above 5% in 2023. The global cryptocurrency market cap was firm, hovering around $820 billion after rising about 1.5% in the last 24 hours. The total trading volume was flat, dropping by 46% to $32 billion. The US Central Bank lowered the pace of interest rate increases to 50 basis points last month after delivering 4 straight 75 basis point increases, but highlighted the need to retain rates in restrictive territories to tame down inflation. Stock futures witnessed gains as Wall Street tries to recover its footing following a challenging start to the year. Futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 111 points or 0.3%. S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 futures climbed 0.5% and 0.7% respectively. Bitcoin was trading at $16,853, up 0.65%. Ethereum was second largest crypto, was down by 2.65%, trading at $1,250. BNB was up 3.6% to trade at $255. Solana SOL was up 14.7% and was trading at $13.7. Avalanche AVAX was trading at $11.7, higher 3.7%. Polygon Matic was trading up by 2.3% to trade at $0.80. Cardano's ADA token was up by 4.0% to trade at $0.26. Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading up by 0.3% at $0.072. Shiba Inu was trading up by 1%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.34, up by 0.8%. Polkadot was up by 2.3% to trade at $4.6.
Thank you, Ruchi, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. Indians moved more than $3.8 billion in cumulative trading volume from local to international crypto exchanges after the nation announced stiff crypto tax rules on Feb 1, 2022, according to a research study by Asia Center, a New Delhi-based technology policy think tank. A total of $3.852 billion amounting to INR 32,000 crore was shifted during the period of Feb to October 2022. Of this cumulative volume of $3,055 million was offshored within 6 months of the current financial year, the report said. The report assumes significance as it provides the first monetary estimate of the impact of India's controversial crypto tax policy on domestic exchanges. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government announced a 30% tax on crypto profits and a 1% tax deducted at source on all transactions on Feb 1, 2022. The 30% tax was effective April 1 onwards, and the 1% TDS was effective July 1 onwards. When the taxes were announced, the industry was unable to back up its prediction that these would kill liquidity. The Asia Center report found that domestic exchanges lost 81% of their trading volumes in 4 months after the imposition of the much-debated 1% TDS rule. The Indian government is reportedly launching a first-of-its-kind crypto awareness campaign. It will be conducted by the Investor Protection and Education Fund Authority, a government body controlled by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs. The campaign will highlight that cryptocurrencies are not legal in India and there are also deep risks involved in such assets. Any investment where the people are being promised lucrative and assured returns, there is an element of high risk. The government of India has been working on a crypto policy since 2019, but nothing has been finalized. Indian Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said the government plans to discuss crypto regulations with the G20 members. However, some are concerned that the Indian government's crypto campaign may paint cryptocurrencies in poor light, given that the Investor Protection and Education Fund Authority has conducted awareness campaigns on Ponzi schemes, threat funds, and dubious crowdfunding projects. U.S. District Judge Lewis Kaplan of the Southern District of New York ruled on a tentative date for the anticipated week-long trial during the former FTX executive's arraignment in the Manhattan courthouse on Tuesday afternoon. Bankman-Fried, who stands accused on 8 different counts, including wire fraud and campaign finance violations, pleaded not guilty to all charges via his lawyer at the opening of the hearing. Assistant U.S. Attorney Daniel Sassoon told the court that the prosecution expected the bulk of its discovery to be completed within the coming weeks. The government will produce materials it already has access to within the next several weeks, she said. This includes documents shared by FTX's bankruptcy attorneys. Before the trial, lawyers will have time to go through the voluminous discovery in the case. Bankman-Fried's lawyers have until April 3 to file a motion to dismiss the case, and federal prosecutors must respond by April 24. Bankman-Fried's subsequent reply is due on May 8, and both parties will get to argue their cases in a hearing on May 18 at 10 a.m. Eastern. Ethereum name service saw lifetime record domain registrations in 2022 amid a broader market frenzy that saw some traders treating the domains as investments. Data from Dune Analytics show over 630,000 unique wallets created 2.82 million domain names, with 459,000 of those classified as primary names. Primary names are ENS addresses that resolve to a user's crypto wallet and can be used as a proxy to search for information on blockchain explorers such as Etherscan. September saw the most ENS registrations at over 430,000 unique domains, while December recorded the lowest at just 52,000 domains, the data shows. The month of May, however, saw the most new users at over 64,000. And now let's go to Ruchi Sharma to get an update on the 3 buzzing stocks of the day.
As the year 2023 begins, the Shiba Inu community appears to be brimming with energy and enthusiasm to outdo last year's burns. While daily burns of this popular meme token have been relatively low since the fall of last year, they were comparable to the high burns of 2022 during the first 2 days of 2023. The majority of the latter amount of SHIB was burned in a single transfer, with an anonymous address burning a total of 1 million meme coins. This most recent burn has increased the overall SHIB burn rate by 115.6%. SHIB was trading at 1.06% up in the last 24 hours with a market capitalization of $4 billion. Cardano sharks have resurfaced in the last 2 months. Beginning in early November, these Cardano wallets have been accumulating hundreds of millions of dollars worth of tokens. As of the beginning of November, these wallets held roughly 10.5% of the total Cardano supply. In comparison, after purchasing an additional 330 million Cardano tokens, the percentage is now at 11.60% nearly 6 weeks later. The significant increase in Shark purchases may have long-term effects on the value of the digital asset. The value of Cardano is likely to rise as a result of such a large influx of investment. Furthermore, ADA was trading at $0.26, up 3.81% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $9 billion. Dogecoin was one of the year's most held assets among its users, according to the CoinSwitch Twitter account, India's largest cryptocurrency buying and selling app. Doge is ranked first, followed by Bitcoin and Ethereum. The app has approximately 20 million users, according to CoinSwitch. 70% of all Doge addresses have held tokens for more than a year, with India accounting for a sizable portion. Doge was trading at $0.07, up 0.48% in the last 24 hours, with a market capitalization of $9 billion.
Thank you, Ruchi. Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more such updates, please like, share and subscribe to 3.0 TV.